today I have my trusty blend tag blender because I am so hungry, and of course I can't chew because I'm on a liquid fast. So I decided, why not make a smoothie using SeaMoss? So the first thing I'm going to do is take my trusty 1 cup measure. I'm going to use lava plant-based milk, the cleanest milk I can find out here right now, made from Feely nuts, and they use bamboo pulp to preserve the product. I'm going to shake it real good because that's what them directions say, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to give y'all 1 cup in this blender. 1. The next thing I'm going to add is some hemp seeds. Of course, I have the shelled ones. Got them from Trader Joe's. You can get it from anywhere you like. I'm going to use my trusty 1 tablespoon measure. It's like an ice cream scoop, but it's a cookie scooper. Put 2 tablespoons in there, all right? 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds that have been shelled. Bada boom. And bada boom. All right, y'all. So next thing I'm gonna do is add bay. So this is Sprouts Living Epic Protein Pro Collagen Powder. It is a vegan protein powder. It's made with some beautiful ingredients. If you guys have not checked this thing out, it is silica rich. It keeps that skin looking good. I don't look like my age. Trust me, I'm 40 years old because I love antioxidants. I love minerals. I love plant-based superfoods and things like that. So, yeah, this is what I use. I'm going to put 1 heaping scoop because that is the serving size. And the flavor for this one is like a berry flavor. So, it's really good. Like, you really don't have to add any type of sweetness to it because it tastes really, really good. Next thing I'm going to do is use my trusty SeaMoss I put in my infinity jars. You guys, if you have not heard of infinity jars and you want to preserve your fresh, you check out this website. The SeaMoss inside of it, of course, if you've seen my videos previous to this one that you're seeing right now, is the Holistic Being Sea Blend. This is not the regular purple one. This is a sea blend, y'all. Look how pretty she is. Ooh, ain't she pretty? Yep. I'm going to add 4 heaping tablespoons inside of this mixture that I've already created with the hemp seeds, the protein powder, and the milk. That would be number 1. 2. Trying to think about this a little bit more. That 3rd scoop is looking like a lot. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up changing that to 3 tablespoons. Yeah. Nope, no 4. Next thing I'm gonna add is some ice because I want it to have a nice consistency. I usually don't measure my ice, but what you're going to see here is I'm going to add in 2 handfuls. And everybody's hands is different, but 2 handfuls, maybe a handful and a half of ice. So the other thing I'm going to lastly add in is some dates. So these are fresh dates, you guys. I like to use fresh instead of the ones that are packaged and tight because you have to like soak them. This is the brand I use. It's called Natural Delights. I get this at my local Costco because they have like the nice big size, which you can find just about anywhere. Just regular dates. I'm gonna take the pits out and everything, and I'm gonna put in about 2 of them. And actually, like I said, you really don't need them because I'm telling you, the protein powder is really that good. It doesn't have a chalky taste to it or none of that. And then to top it off, SeaMoss is really good too. It's not super duper fishy in flavor. So I'm going to put this top on and we're going to get to blending. Let's see what we got. To FYI, I use a smoothie setting on my blend text, so that's about 40 seconds. I looked at it and I was like, it's a little too soupy for me, so I decided to add in 8 strawberries that are frozen to give it a little bit of a thicker texture. For some reason, I felt like the ice was gonna do it, but nah, I just felt like I needed to add a little bit more texture. So yeah, 8 frozen strawberries are going back into this puppy. And I'm gonna push this smoothie button again right there. 40 seconds of blending. Let's see what we have this time, all right? All right, texture looking much better this time around after we added them 8 strawberries. So there we have it. We have this amazing smoothie with holistic Ben SeaMoss. I use Sprout Living Pro Collagen protein, and it absolutely tastes amazing. Now, to be honest with you, I don't feel like we had to add the dates, but it's really good. Don't forget, you guys, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you absolutely enjoyed this video and have an amazing rest of your day. Peace out, 8-Town Bounds. Bye.